Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, so we're at the Katy in Dallas, Texas. This is the Katy in Dallas, Texas. This is a very nice high-rise style apartment, and it's off Knox. It's near the Knox Street, and it's in the Knox Henderson area. So I'm gonna go inside this apartment. It's kind of a surprise. So we're gonna walk in. We're gonna do a detailed walkthrough so you can see it. But this is a very luxurious apartment, and then you're gonna see the surprise in just a minute. This is what the hallways look like. So hey, let's walk in. So here it is. It's beautiful. Still don't see the surprise yet, but it's a very, very pretty apartment. I love the really light wood that's here. It feels super light and nice. And look at this adorable kitchen. This kitchen is so cute. It's got really pretty appliances here. That is gas, by the way. All the appliances all the ovens at the Katy are gas. So you've got a beautiful gas stove to cook with, some great cabinets, really, really nice countertop that's here too. And you can put some bar stools and chairs over there. And then, hey, you've got a really nice little patio here or balcony if you're on the higher floor. Now, here's a surprise. This is a studio. This is an amazing studio. I love the feel of this. I mean, it's essentially a one bedroom, and that's easy to separate out there. But that's it. So you could have your inside this room, you could have more of your TV and some chairs and stuff like that. And then here, you've got this really nice area for your bed and things like that. So this is an adorable studio. I love it. It's like a high luxury studio. It's hard to describe it, but I really, really love it. Isn't this really, really pretty? It's unusual because how nice this place is and the price that you can get this studio for in particular. I think you're gonna love that too. So I've got a part two. What we'll do now is go inside the bathroom in this studio, and we're also gonna explore this. So let's take a peek at that, and let's go to the next video right now. By the way, if you have any questions, there's a number below. That's my personal cell number. Text me, and we'll chat about finding your perfect place here in Uptown, in Knox, or in Dallas. It's always 100% free. So let's go now to the bathroom and also see this little balcony patio.